Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and manage follow requests you have sent on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open your TikTok application. In this application, you can't find a list of follow requests that you have sent. So you need to search a specific person. To do that, just tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then search for the person that you have sent your follow request. Tap on the username. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.